Okay, here we go. It's probably going to leak out, but we're okay. And the moment of truth has arrived. Now I can see that I didn't have the mold perfectly lined up. It probably moved a bit when I put these on. Well, I'll be damned. Whoop. Now that was for me clamping it too tightly, because when I clamped this down on here, I heard it crack. So, oh my. Yeah, we ran out of aluminum. Whoop. Look at that. That is not bad at all. What we were proving, though, is that we can use plaster of Paris for molds if we heat treat it enough times in the oven. As you can see, I put a little of that separation powder on here just to make it easier. And I mean, that could have been used again if it hadn't broke, but that's okay. These types of molds are supposed to be a one-time use. But look at that, that's perfect. It didn't even lose its shape. And of course, this is not the prettiest, but it's still so hot. Look how nice that is. I'd say put that on a milling machine and you'd have yourself a smooth looking motor. So more aluminum and better alignment on the mold, but definitely more aluminum. I call that a success.